A billion dinners, ever wonder where they come from? Every day, millions of people around the world enjoy the convenience of ready meals. But how often do we stop to think about the origins of these meals? We pop them in the microwave without a second thought. In just a few minutes, we have a hot, delicious meal ready to eat. It's almost magical, isn't it? Convenient, tasty, affordable ready meals are a modern marvel. They save us time and effort, allowing us to focus on other aspects of our busy lives. But there's so much more to these meals than meets the eye. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey they take from farms and factories to your plate? It all starts with the raw ingredients, grown and harvested by dedicated farmers. These ingredients are then transported to factories where the magic truly begins. It's a fascinating process involving industrial-scale cooking, intricate machinery, and a whole lot of science. The food is cooked in massive pots and ovens, ensuring that each meal is prepared to perfection. The machinery used is state-of-the-art, designed to handle large quantities of food with precision and efficiency. So, let's fire up the ovens of curiosity and take a peek behind the curtain of ready meal production, shall we? From the moment the ingredients arrive at the factory, a meticulous process begins. Quality control is paramount, with workers inspecting every batch to ensure it meets the highest standards. This isn't your grandma's kitchen, folks. The scale and complexity of these operations are mind-boggling. Advanced equipment and technology play a crucial role in maintaining consistency and quality across millions of meals. We're talking massive operations producing millions of meals every single day. Think about the logistics. Coordinating the supply chain, managing inventory, and ensuring timely delivery are all critical components of the process. It takes a symphony of planning, technology, and manpower to pull it off. Engineers, technicians, and factory workers all work together in harmony to create the meals we enjoy. Each person plays a vital role in this intricate dance, ensuring that the final product is nothing short of perfect. Once the meals are prepared and packaged, they are loaded onto delivery trucks and transported to supermarkets and stores. The journey doesn't end there. These meals must be carefully stocked and displayed, ready for us to pick up and take home. And finally, they reach our homes, where they bring convenience and joy to our dining tables. Whether it's a quick dinner after a long day at work or a meal shared with friends and family, ready meals have become an integral part of our lives. So, the next time you pop a ready meal into the microwave, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. From the fields to the factories, and finally to your plate, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the wonders of modern food production. From farm to factory, getting the ingredients right, it all starts with the ingredients. Just like in any good recipe, the quality of the raw materials makes all the difference. Suppliers are carefully chosen, often with long-term contracts to ensure a steady flow of vegetables, meats, grains, and spices. These ingredients arrive at the factory and undergo rigorous inspection. We're talking about washing, chopping, blanching, and sometimes pre-cooking. Quality control is key at every stage. After all, we want those peas to be perfectly green and those carrots to be crisp. Cooking up a storm, industrial kitchens and their tools. Welcome to the engine room. Industrial kitchens are a sight to behold. Giant steam kettles capable of cooking hundreds of gallons of soup at once hum with activity. Conveyor belt ovens bake trays of chicken breasts to golden perfection. These aren't your average kitchen gadgets. We're talking about precision instruments, carefully calibrated to ensure consistent results meal after meal. Temperature, cooking time, even the amount of seasoning, everything is carefully controlled. Building your meal like clockwork on the assembly line. Imagine a symphony of precision and efficiency, where every ingredient has its place and every movement is calculated to perfection. Next stop, the assembly line. This is where the magic happens, where raw ingredients are transformed into the delicious meals we enjoy. Here, all those delicious components, the perfectly cooked pasta, the savory sauces, and the fresh vegetables, are meticulously prepared and assembled. The tender meats come together in harmony, each piece carefully placed to ensure the best possible flavor and texture. Workers, often with the help of automated machinery, work tirelessly to ensure that every meal is perfect. Their expertise and dedication are crucial to the process. They portion out each element with incredible speed and accuracy, ensuring that every meal is consistent and delicious. It's a carefully choreographed dance, with each worker and machine playing their part to create a seamless production line. Think of it like a well-oiled machine, where every cog and gear works in perfect harmony to produce the final product. With each part moving in sync to create the final product, the assembly line is a marvel of modern engineering and human ingenuity. One machine dispenses a precise amount of mashed potatoes, ensuring that every serving is just right. Another adds a scoop of gravy, adding a rich and flavorful touch to the meal. And a robotic arm gently places a chicken breast on top, completing the dish with a final flourish. This intricate process ensures that every meal is not only delicious, but also consistent in quality and presentation. Quality control is a critical part of the assembly line, with workers inspecting each meal to ensure it meets the highest standards. Once the meals are assembled, they are carefully packaged and sealed, ready to be delivered to consumers. The packaged meals move along the conveyor belt, each one a testament to the precision and care that went into its creation. Finally, the meals are loaded onto delivery trucks, ready to be distributed to stores and homes, bringing the fruits of the assembly line to people everywhere. And so, from the assembly line to your table, each meal is a product of meticulous planning, hard work, and a commitment to quality. Enjoy your meal, knowing it was made with care and precision. Now that our meals are assembled, it's time to package them up for their journey to your freezer. But this isn't just about putting food in a plastic tray. The packaging plays a crucial role in preserving freshness, preventing freezer burn, and extending shelf life. Specialized machines vacuum seal the meals, removing oxygen that can cause spoilage. Others use modified atmosphere packaging, replacing the air with a mixture of gases that slow down deterioration. Time to hit the freezer. But we're not talking about your grandpa's old icebox. These industrial freezers are designed for rapid freezing, which helps preserve the texture and flavor of the food. The meals are flash frozen at ultra-low temperatures, locking in freshness and ensuring that they remain safe to eat for months. Think of it as hitting the pause button on the aging process of the food. Once frozen solid, the meals are carefully stacked and loaded onto trucks. They're shipped to distribution centers and then onto supermarkets and grocery stores, where they're finally ready for you to pick up. The entire journey, from farm to factory to freezer to your fork, is a marvel of modern logistics. It's a complex network designed to ensure that you have access to convenient and affordable meals whenever you need them. There's no doubt that ready meals have revolutionized the way we eat. They've freed us from the kitchen, offering a convenient solution for busy weeknights or lazy weekends. But like any convenience, there are trade-offs to consider. The environmental impact of packaging, the potential for lower nutritional value compared to home-cooked meals, and the ethical considerations of large-scale food production are all important factors to weigh. So what does the future hold for ready meals? The ready meal industry has come a long way from its humble beginnings. From simple TV dinners to gourmet meals that can be prepared in minutes, the evolution has been remarkable. But what's next on the horizon? As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovation in packaging, preservation techniques, and production processes. Imagine a world where your ready meal stays fresh for months without any preservatives, thanks to cutting-edge preservation technology. Automated packaging machines and robotic arms are already revolutionizing the way these meals are prepared and packed, ensuring higher efficiency and consistency. And that's not all. The future might also bring personalized meal options tailored to our dietary needs and preferences. With the rise of health-conscious consumers, there's a growing demand for meals that cater to specific dietary requirements. Imagine using an app to customize your meal based on your nutritional needs, allergies, or even your taste preferences. Nutritionists and dietitians could work hand-in-hand with food technologists to create meals that are not only convenient, but also healthy and personalized. One thing's for sure, the demand for convenience isn't going away anytime soon. In our fast-paced world, people are constantly looking for ways to save time, and ready meals offer a perfect solution. Whether it's a busy professional grabbing a quick lunch, or a family looking for an easy dinner option, the convenience of ready meals is unmatched. And as long as there's a need for quick, easy, and affordable meals, the ready meal industry will continue to evolve and adapt to meet it. The focus will be on making these meals even more accessible and appealing to a broader audience. We might see more options for different cuisines, dietary preferences, and even eco-friendly packaging solutions. The ready meal industry is a dynamic and ever-changing field. With advancements in food science, technology, and consumer preferences, it's exciting to think about what the future holds. Companies are investing heavily in research and development to bring innovative products to the market. From plant-based meals to gourmet options, the possibilities are endless. So the next time you pop a ready meal in the microwave, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From the farm to the factory, and finally to your table, each step is a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to make life a little bit easier. The logistics behind ready meals are equally fascinating. Coordinating the supply chain, ensuring the quality of ingredients, and delivering the final product to stores or directly to consumers requires a well-oiled machine. It's a complex process that involves many people working together seamlessly. It's a fascinating blend of culinary arts, industrial engineering, and logistical prowess, all in the service of a satisfying meal. Chefs, engineers, and factory workers all play a crucial role in bringing these meals to life. Their expertise and dedication ensure that each meal is not only delicious, but also safe and convenient. So, the next time you enjoy a ready meal, remember the incredible journey it took to get to your plate. It's a story of innovation, collaboration, and a shared goal of making our lives a little bit easier and a lot more delicious.